The plus symbol is the MIDI arrangement overdub. This will allow you to record and keep adding MIDI to your recording. Say you're trying to record a piano and you want to lay down your first chords and then record on top of that. If you don't have this turned on, it will write over what you already recorded. The next button is for automation. Automation is what will allow you to control certain parameters in Live, such as volume, muting, and many others. You'll sometimes notice red lines across your tracks. This line is what we can draw in to have whatever's assigned to it move without having to manually change it. I'll first make sure I select volume over here on the right as the automation I want to write in. To do this, I just click on the red line, which will make a point. Now if I go and make another point, I can drag the red line up or down, and whatever way I draw the slope is the way that the volume is going to come in or out. Notice when I draw in my volume, it also moves the volume fader with it.